Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Today I am about to clean up the house for clean up the driveway, water all dry, set up everything, and I will have a call. Friends call me the parts will turn up for the quad bike, and now promise have to go and try to make it go, try to make it start for him, so he can have a bike for on the weekend or enjoy Christmas holiday. So far I done half of my front part nice and clean with water jet, and I have another back to do. Anyway, promise I never break my promise, so I have to go on job site and do the bike for him. Now get some tools and some for the last day before Christmas. Look at me, that's much tools I have to grab with me to make my friend happy. Promise, okay? I hope I can make it go for him. If not, I go home sleep. Last driving of the year. Enjoy the moment. Another year passed. Everyone must get old, you know. Everyone must get very old, and you know, sit back sometime driving and enjoy 1 year pass again and again. And Simon, hope to see you one more year again and again. Hope to see Simon Tools and support for Simon's, and wish you all the best. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But still stay tuned, have to go and see Simon on the job site, and might see you again next year. See next year if I look different, or I look more handsome, or I look more ugly. We never know how we look like when next year what happened. Okay, hopefully I look more handsome, man, so I can get 1 million views. Okay, I see you on the next job sites, and enjoy the every last moment of the end of the years and driving. And this is how normal day during the week, how we driving to work on the long distance, short distance on the job site, and enjoy. Okay, see you on the job site today, huh? Now that the quad bike already have all the parts, so all I have to do is just put back together. I've been there once and I forgot how to go there, so you have to using my GPS. Okay, this guy's bike, the part turn up, and he buy all this on eBay from China, my friend.
From China.
China. Okay, it's the air filter using it again, huh? Okay, let's put to work and see how it go. The bike, we got our brand new Nissan coil and spark plugs, and this one magnified. So, but anyway, we try to get a key and try to get a spark first, and we talk later. If there are no spark, we have to go next further step is this here, this one here. Okay. So we try to hang on, bro. Put this one on and try to turn. Hang on, my hand's still here. Don't turn, you kill me.
Nothing happens here.
There you go.
Turn on?
Yeah, go, start it. Start. Okay.
No spark.
No spark. We have to go next further step. Okay. Next step. Leave that one there. That one there. Sensor. Okay, we're gonna take this one out. We're gonna get on number 8. We're gonna get number 8. Okay, don't lose this one. Keep like this one. See this one?
Yeah.
The magnet pickup. See this one, the magnet pickup. And this stator here, very important. Okay. So, hang on, I just want to see. How come we got some wire broken here too? See this one? Wire broken, man. You get up the changing the ignition and spark pickup unit in here. Friend, they jump in the lake and they must suck this all into the oil, so we have to changing oil. Hopefully nothing wrong with the engine. So you guys suck a lot of water, see? Because engine oil and the gearbox oil go the same. That's why. Okay, we try to take off by this cover by see the starter motor. Take off this one and two bolt holding there. So very tricky. And later I put the silicone. Okay. Use again. We don't have a gasket. We forgot to order gaskets, so don't worry too much. Have you got anything to catch the oil? Hey, anything to catch the oil? Don't let the boy jump over. I like the young boy, man.
Yeah, he's not here now.
I don't have a son. I feel like the boy.
And you have girls?
Yeah, only girls. That's what I typed to you. I have tiny one. That's why no boy.
It doesn't make boys here?
Yeah, the tiny one don't make boys.
As long as it works, that's good enough.
It's worked very well.
That's the main thing. Bit of Viagra, anything else there?
No, vibrator, not Viagra. A bit of vibrator, man. No better. So this one here is going here. You see? And we replace all of them. And we don't have a gasket. We have to put silicone. Anyway, all good. You got the one, only one. This guy, he's very lucky. Look at his face. Very lucky, guys. One lucky in. And you see this one? Actually, this Ryobi toolbox from Bunnings worth it.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah,
Job.
do the job, man. Save me time to have to go to my car and get my proper tools. It's good. Leave it there.
These are proper tools.
Yeah. So take all up. So even it have a Allen keys and it have a star here. It's good. So I give you 10 out of 10, okay? No, me, I need rat size for a little rat. It's very handy with this one, huh?
Yeah.
Last time we don't have one. We do, but we don't have to undo this here. Okay, put a new one on. Easy. Come out in one chunk. Good clean up. I get the greaser maybe because I make clean all the greasy bloody water in the oil go inside here. Spray them all out and install the new one on, and I'd be right. Inspection for this one. Where the hell this one from? Anyway, good clean. Make sure get all the dust and water in the engine out, and later we put real fresh oil on. Okay, real fresh oil in. We need to clean and then get our blower in the trucks. Can you open up that door so I can start up my air compressor? Well,
Why?
because I bring my here to fix the quad bike and I got my air blower and clean all the air, dirty oil out from you.
Because you're a good man.
See?
You're a very good man.
See? Very strong. Blow all the shit out. Look at that, see the dirty oil come out, see?
That's nice.
That's a lot, so we better put brand new oil in. In here, too much bloody water. That's why. See? See? Okay, we need one more blow. One more clean, huh? Not a $5 gone. The new one on. We do just follow the gap and put them on. That can't be wrong, okay? Yeah, so that's how it's going. So if anyone have the same problem, this is how you install the new one on. So look carefully. This is how the stator and the magnet pickup look like. Make sure put extra silicone. And now we slide on. I allowed to speak wrong, but not you, okay? Okay, look like all the silicone go everywhere. It's good. We got some money there, baby. It just make sure clean all that shit silicone. You don't want to go everywhere in here before you put that gear here for the starter motor. See this one? Look beautiful, sexy. Look at that. Okay, so for the wire, we put it there for test. See how we go. Can you turn on the thing over there, brother? Oh, still can't start. Try to figure out the wiring, the power, see if we can get it go, and we work out from there and see how it go. Okay, just tie them in a spark and the fan still not very happy with the fan, and gotta do something with that wire with the fan there. Okay, try to wrap it up. Wrap the fuel. Go this one. Go this one. Ah, where we get petrol. Turn on the acceleration. Pump. We need battery, man. Oh, yeah. Wrap it up. Let go, okay? Pump and let go. Okay, let go. Up a little bit. Give me a Phillips screwdrivers. Look like I got him going, but can you help please? I check the power for the voltage charging. I check the battery C charging. If it's charging, everything works fine. Okay. Really amazing. Later you put everything on, all light and everything on. We're gonna see this one. I'm gonna use this switch. Go here for the fan itself.
So it's on?
It's on now.
Okay.
But we will make when it's hot, it's on, when it's cold, it's off. So we have to do that next day. So now your job is put everything back together. Yes. Why? Easy. Come on, man.
Pulling it down?
Next time what we do is just turn this one off for a while, for the time being.
Okay.
You got a charger, battery charger?
Yeah.
Charging up the battery overnight. Yeah. And then we come next day fix that problem for you, okay? We need the fan to stop. Okay. So we we expect him to get the new battery because the battery very weak. We try to start, not even crank over, not fast enough to suck the fuel in. So we need to jump start, and that's how we start. Anyway, expect you to get new battery. And come next day, I put the fan. Don't worry about all the lights, okay? Don't worry about light working or not, doesn't matter. We only need the car to the bike to go, but we have to fix the fan. See the fan still turning? We will come back and get from the switch there and make the fan on off itself. For time being, I have my friends out. So we're going to turn on and off for fun with the fan on. Plug them on and get strong battery, start and go forever, okay? And check the water. So I think we got enough oil. So did you put about 2 liters of oil? Yeah, I think it's plenty. And go for a while before, maybe after New Year, I come back and put the switch on for you, huh? For the fan, and we'll be free. Very good. So it's worth it. It's worth it. Replace the coil and the stator. So work very well. Okay, time to go home. Clean up again. Keep doing with my jobs. And I did not know that. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe in myself. I was a quad bike mechanics. So good, man. Now I go home. Is someone calling me? 72. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go out here and we talk. Okay, let's go out. Very narrow road. Thanks for watching Simon 2. This is very luckily. I did not realize that I was the quad bike mechanic again, and it's what happened. It's worked. So that's the lucky shot. Okay, thanks for watching Simon 2. See ya.